What's going on? My name is Zach. Welcome with Additive America. Hope you're having a great day here. I'm just walking in here and the machine is already cleaned up after running the build last night and it's sitting here nice and quiet. We could kick all the fans off and I thought, what a perfect opportunity to go ahead and tell you about some of the cool things we've been using it for. So a lot of people, when we tell them we have a color printer, they're like, oh, and they start thinking about all the crazy colors that they want to print and all that fun stuff. But what we've actually been using the printer for more in industry, you know, the consumer goods folks definitely like the colors and prototyping, of course. You know, you can do models in full color and then you run them through the AMT machine for vapor smoothing and it looks like it's been painted. So that, you know, that's obviously at the forefront of people's mind when you say you have a color printer. But what we've actually been using it a lot for lately is running white MJF parts. They hold a really tight tolerance and it's something that we can run overnight. So we've been able to start taking part files late in the day and then still get them into the build overnight. It runs, it cools all while we're sleeping. We're coming into the morning, it's finishing up, and we can crack the top about 10 or 12 around noontime and then pull our parts out, get them blasted, get them run through the vapor smoothing as well before the end of the day and then back out. So it allows us to do one-day turnaround on white parts. And we've also kind of figured out like a tint of color that we can print parts as well, and then we can dye them black. And it's not the same black, it won't color match with your 4200 or 5200 series parts that are dyed black. But if you're just using them for black or you just need them to be black, it's an option for you as well. So just something I wanted to share with you this morning. Coming in, had the opportunity to have the machine behind me and looking so nice and being so almost clean and ready to run another build. So that's just kind of what it looks like after you run the reclaim. It's pulled all the powder down, and now we needed to go in and just do like our daily maintenance, and then we'll be up and ready to rock. So as you'll notice, back in the t-shirt today, the weather has come back. Whew, that coldness, I didn't like it, but we're back to heat today. So anyway, that's what's going on here in Eastern North Carolina. Hope you're having a great day. Have any questions about getting white parts or black parts or whatever color parts you want, really, done overnight, or if you just want to check out parts that are run on here and run through the vapor smoothing, check us out. You know how to get a hold of me. Other than that, hope you're having a good one. We'll catch up with you later. Thanks.